efluentenglish.com. Walk and talk. What are these? They grow overnight when there's a little bit of moisture. Wow. Is it a toadstool or is it a mushroom? They are similar. If it's a mushroom, you can eat it. What about these? Each one is so different. So, eFluent English students, your challenge is to do some research. How do I know whether this is a mushroom or a toadstool? Is it the color, the shape? Make a video and tell me.